Arkansas is prepared for the overturning of Roe versus Wade.
The natural state on standby following the leaked draft of a U.S. Supreme Court opinion that could overturn abortion rights and leave each state to decide whether to restrict or ban abortions. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Fox 16 News. I'm Kevin Keller.
I'm Donna Terrell. This evening in Little Rock, a group protested the strong likelihood of the overturning of Roe v. Wade right on the Arkansas Capitol steps. And state leaders are giving their own thoughts about this. Our Andrew Epperson is live in front of the Capitol tonight. And Andrew, what's the reaction around the state?
Donna, that depends on who you ask. Some say this is something they've wanted for decades, and they hope that leaked first draft becomes the final draft. Others say this would be the rollback of some rights that have been foundational for the last half century, and they went to the Capitol to make their voices heard. At the state Capitol Tuesday, chants.
She did not have access to birth control. She didn't have access to abortion.
Stories shared.
The draft opinion that indicates they are more than happy to overturn Roe v. Wade and relegate pregnant people to an unhuman status.
All in favor of keeping abortion legal and safe in this country.
I hope that I never have to get an abortion, but if it so happens, then I would want the option.
I don't think any man has the right to really make that decision for them.
A leaked first document of a Supreme Court ruling indicated a majority of justices voted to overturn Roe v. Wade. If it happens, state could choose whether abortions are legal.
There was something different about seeing the words on paper that made it seem real.
Democratic lawmakers like State Representative Nicole Clowney say if Roe's overturned, the result would be a nightmare for many.
If women are not granted the right to an abortion in our state, we have to do everything we can to make sure we avoid unintended pregnancies.
Others disagree. Attorney General Leslie Rutledge, a Republican running for lieutenant governor, says she hopes the leaked draft becomes final.
Arkansas is prepared for the overturning of Roe versus Wade.
A trigger law waits in the wings, ready to make abortion illegal immediately after Roe is scrapped. Rutledge says she'll be in charge of officially certifying it.
It will be my honor and a privilege of my lifetime to do just that.
Until that time, Arkansans on both sides of the abortion debate
We will not stand for that.
will continue to make their voices heard. Attorney General Leslie Rutledge also talked about some laws that are waiting in the 8th Circuit right now because of some lawsuits. She says those laws will be affected if Roe is overturned. Live in Little Rock, Andrew Epperson, Fox 16 News.